Let's clear something up. If you're sending cold emails and not getting replies, not seeing opens, or worst of all, landing in spam, there's a good chance the problem isn't your offer, it's your links. So let's talk about it. Can you send links in cold emails? Should you? And where should you actually put them if you want people to click? If you're sending cold emails, whether you're a sales rep, founder, or marketer, these tips will help protect your deliverability and get you more replies. Links can be tricky in cold outreach. Done right, they guide your prospect. Done wrong, they trigger spam filter. So here is the deal. Yes, you can send links in cold emails, but it's all about how, when, and where. Where to put link in cold email. Here's how I think about it. In a typical cold email, you've got a short intro, a line or two that shows relevance, a question or soft CTO. But that's not where the link goes. You are building trust first. If you have to include a link, like a case study or a product page, put it near the end, ideally after they've had a chance to understand why you are messaging them. At that point, they'll be curious enough to open your link. Or, even better, send links in follow-ups. Honestly, including links in the first message can send you straight to the spam folder. To avoid that risk, ask the recipient if they'd like to learn more. Use your first message to spark curiosity and ask a question like, would you like me to send over a quick overview? If they respond, it gives your domain reputation a nice boost, and you've got the green light to send a link in the follow-up. Also, if you're targeting enterprises, it might be best to skip links in cold emails altogether. These companies often use internal tools that are even more restrictive than spam filter. But hey, does adding links to your cold emails really hurt your deliverability? In a word, yes. If your domain is new, your list isn't clean, or you're sending at a scale, a link can be the difference between hitting the inbox or landing in spam. Especially if you use link shorteners like bit.ly or tinyURL, often flagged for phishing, multiple links, salesy phrases like click here or get your free offer here. So what are the best practices? Use trusted URLs, ideally from your own domain or established platforms. Limit to 1, maybe 2 links per email. Only include links that truly add value, like a short overview or relevant case study or your calendar link. Use natural sounding anchor text like here is the guide or see the full case study. The signature trap. Also watch your email signature. A lot of users pack it with social links, but if your domain isn't warmed up or you're just starting out, those links can hurt your deliverability. It's not just a cute social icon in your signature. Spam filters see those as another link, end of story. Keep it minimal, especially at first. Start simple with a plain text signature. Once prospects start engaging and your reputation improves, then you can consider adding a link. But remember, one link to your website or calendar is usually enough. If you want an idea for your email signature, you can use a signature generator. I'll link it in the description. Final must-have: authenticate your domain. If you include any links at all, make sure your domain is authenticated. SPS, DKIM, and DMARC authentication reassures SPS that your emails are legitimate and reduces the risk of them ending up in spam. So, can you send a link in a cold email? Yeah, and now you know how to do it. Put it near the end or in the follow-up. Use 1, max 2 links. The fewer, the better. No link shorteners, make it sound human, and don't forget to authenticate your domain. Cold emails are about starting conversations, not sending people off to other platforms. Keep it simple, focus on connection first, then link them to value once they're ready. Hope this helps. If you're running campaigns and want them to actually work, clean up your links and the rest gets a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Also, if you're into the links, you should also check my recent episode of Hot Take with Ines, where we discuss the impact of unsubscribing in your emails. So if you're interested in that and want to learn more about how to avoid risks here, check out this episode.